Hi students, I am Maithili. This is the NCERT portion, 7th standard. Chapter 1 is integers. Okay. So the integers, what is the meaning of integers? So integers means integers are a collection of natural numbers, 0 and negative numbers. Okay, so everything it's an integer. That means collection of natural numbers and then 0 and then negative values. Everything is the integers. So we denote this collection by Z. Now negative integers are represented on the number line to the left of the 0. So in this, negative values are represented in left hand side and then positive values are represented in right hand side. So this is called the integers. Okay, so in this now we'll see the exercise 1.1. In this first problem is following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. So in this they have given so many values. See here the center value is 0 and then here 5 degree, this is similar, and then here this is the 15 means before that it is 14 degree is Ooty. After that here 25 is there. So previous value means this 24, 23, 22. So this is Bangalore, and then left hand side here -5 is there, -5 is Srinagar, and then here this value -10 means this one -9, -8. So -8 is Lalaspati. Okay, so this much of value is given. So from this we want to give the following answers. Okay, now we'll see the first question, that is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. So in that question itself we have discussed, okay, what are all the temperature values are there. So first one Lalaspati, that is -8 degrees Celsius, and then Srinagar, that is -2 degrees Celsius. It is given already. So here itself, see Lalaspati, this is -8, this is -10 means before value this is -8, and then Srinagar is here. So this value is -2. This is your -1 and then this is your -2, and then here -8. After that Shimla is 5 plus 5, and then Ooty is here 14. This value is 14, and then Bangalore is here 22. So this much of values are there. Okay, see here now Lalaspati, that is -8 degrees Celsius, and then Srinagar is -2 degrees Celsius, and then Shimla, that is 5 degrees Celsius, Ooty 14 degrees Celsius, and then Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then see the second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So here in this question, so hottest place is Bangalore, and then very coldest places here Lalaspati. So we know what is the temperature of Bangalore. Bangalore temperature is 22 degrees Celsius, and then Lalaspati, that temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. So we want to find the difference between these two. So difference means we have to subtract the values. Okay, now temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above is 30 degrees Celsius, because we know what is the temperature for hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius, that is Bangalore. So here 22 degrees Celsius, and then difference, so minus here coldest place. So coldest place is Lalaspati, that is here -8 degrees Celsius. So we want to subtract it, no? So here minus of -8 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to do here, 22 degrees Celsius. After that minus into minus, here bracket symbol is there, means we want to multiply that. So minus into minus is plus. So 8 degrees Celsius. 8 degrees Celsius. Now both in positive symbol. So 22 plus 8, that is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So the answer is 30 degrees Celsius. And then see the third question. What is the temperature difference between Lalaspati and Srinagar? Okay, now listen. So the temperature difference between Lalaspati and Srinagar. So Lalaspati temperature we know that is 8 degrees Celsius, and then Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. See, we want to find the difference between these two. So this one value is minus 2 and then minus of another one value is minus 8. So in this we want to take listen, minus 2 minus into minus is plus 8. Now both are different symbol, so we have to subtract the value. So 8 minus 2 equal to 6. So 6 degrees Celsius. This is your answer. And then see the D subdivision is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So we want to answer this. So in this lesson, first question is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. See here, temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So what is the meaning of together? Together means we have to add the values. Okay, we know what is the temperature for Srinagar and then Shimla. So the Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius and then Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So we have to add, okay, add the values because together means we have to add. But in this both are different symbols are there. One in positive, another one is negative. So we have to subtract the values. So here 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So 3 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature for altogether Srinagar and Shimla. So now what is the question in this? This altogether is less than the temperature at Shimla. So what is the temperature for Shimla? The Shimla temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So here 3 degrees Celsius only, no. So 3 degrees Celsius is lesser than 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we can write yes, 3 degrees Celsius is lesser than the temperature of 5 degrees Celsius. So the first question is yes. Okay, and the second question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So the Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. But here altogether the temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. So it is not lesser. Okay, because this value is greater. So how to write? No. Here 5 degrees Celsius is not lesser than minus 2, 3 degrees Celsius, because 3 degree only the answer, no. So 3 degrees Celsius is not less than minus 2 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees Celsius is not lesser than the temperature at Srinagar. Okay. And then second question, in a quiz, positive marks are taken for correct answer and negative marks are taken for incorrect answer if Jack's score in 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10. So what was his total at the end? Okay, so there is a quiz competition. In that competition, they are giving positive marks for correct answer and negative marks for incorrect answer. So they have conducted 5 rounds. Okay, the first round Jack scored 25 marks and then second round he scored minus 5. Minus 5 means it's incorrect answer, and in third round he got minus 10. So here also incorrect answer. And then fourth round 15. So plus 15 means it's a correct answer. And then plus 10 means it's a correct answer. So what was his total at the end? Okay, so how to write here solution? Total marks at the end equal to, so first here what are the positive values are there, that one we have to add it now. So here 25 and then 15 then 10. So these three are the positive values. So we can add that. See here 25 and then first you write all the values 25 and then plus minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Here only two negative values are there. So the negative values alone we have to keep inside the bracket. Now 25 plus into minus is minus. So this value 5 and then plus into minus is minus and then this value 10 plus 5 plus 10. Now we can add only the positive values first. Here 25 and then 15 then 10. So 25 plus 15 that is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. And then we can take a negative values minus 5 minus 10. When we are adding these two values, both the symbols are same symbol, so we can add it. Okay, add and put the same symbol. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and then here we can take minus 15. So 50 minus 15, when we are subtracting these two values, we'll get 35. So your answer is 35 marks. Okay, and then see the third question. At Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degree on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. So, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So, what was the temperature on this day? So, here they have given Monday and Tuesday. In both day temperatures they have given. So, in that dropped, what is the meaning of dropped? Dropped means it is decreasing. The temperature has decreased. Okay, and then here rose means here the temperature has increased. So if it is decreased means we have to take a negative value, and then if it is greater, rose means we have to take a positive value. So according to that we have to take. See, first one, at Srinagar temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday. Okay, then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. That means what we have to do, first thing, Tuesday's temperature, because here Tuesday temperature only we need, no. So for that, Tuesday's temperature equal to Monday's temperature. What is the temperature on Monday? And then that value minus 2, because 2 degrees Celsius only dropped, no. So minus 2, like that we have to take. Okay, 2 degrees Celsius. So here Monday's temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So we can take minus 5 simply. And then here minus 2. So both are negative symbols. So we can add that and put the same symbol. So minus 5 minus 2 equal to minus 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this is the temperature for Tuesdays. After that, what we have to do, we want to find the temperature on Wednesday. What is the temperature for Wednesday? So in that, Wednesday's temperature equal to, just see here, on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. So that means 4 degrees Celsius increased. So what we have to do, increased means we have to add the value. So Wednesday's temperature equal to Tuesday's temperature plus 4 degrees Celsius. So this is equal to, already we know what is the temperature for on Tuesday. So Tuesday's temperature is minus 7 degrees Celsius. So minus 7 and then plus this 4 degrees Celsius. So now both are different symbol. So we can subtract the value, no. So here minus 7 plus 4, both are different means just subtract it and put the bigger number symbol. So minus 4 plus 4, minus 7. So 7 minus 4 equal to 3. And then bigger number symbol is minus. So minus 3 degrees Celsius. This is on Wednesday. Okay, sum is over. After that, see the fourth question. A plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. At the particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So what is the vertical distance between them? So here they have, first of all we want to take one sea. Okay, for that simply we can take one rough diagram. You just imagine it's a sea. In this, plane is flying at the height of 5000 meter above the sea level. So this is your sea level. So we can take like this. So this is your 5000 meter. Okay, here this plane is flying like that we can take. So here 5000 meter above the sea level. After that, a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. So 1200 meter below. That means we have to take like this. Okay, this is your 1200 meter, like that we can take. It's increase means we can 5000. Okay, like this we can take. Now what is the vertical distance between them? So this is your horizontal line. This is your vertical line. So vertical line means we want to find it fully. What is the full distance? Okay, so that means what we have to do, the vertical distance between them equal to this 5000, that above level 5000 meter plus 1200 meter. We want to add both the values. Okay, so 5000 plus 1200, that is equal to 6200 meter. So 6200 meter is the whole distance. Okay, the whole vertical distance. Okay, then we'll see the fifth sum. Mohan deposit rupee 2000 in his bank account and withdraws rupee 1642 from it the next day. So, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. Okay, if it is withdrawal means we have to consider it is a negative integer. Then, how will you represent the amount deposit? And then find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Okay, so just imagine first Mohan deposited 2000 rupees in his bank. Okay, from 2000 he withdraws 1642. So that one we have to consider. Listen, for solution, amount deposited equal to 2000 and then amount withdrawal, how much withdrawal? 1642. So this much withdraw. So in this, it's withdraw means we have to take it's a negative value. So amount withdrawal equal to minus 1642. Now what is the balance? So balance equal to this 2000 and then plus minus 1642. Okay, so here both are just see that here one is positive symbol, another one is negative symbol. So now we have to multiply the symbols. So plus into minus, because here bracket is there. So just multiply that symbol, plus into minus equal to minus. So 2000 minus 1642, that is equal to, when we are subtracting these two values, we will get 358. So finally Morgan's account having only 358 rupees. Okay. Okay, remaining sums we'll see in next video. If you like this video means please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.